Hey guys, what's going on? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping. We're here with Matt with Equipment Defender. They got some hot new products coming out for you guys. So we're going to let him do his thing and tell us about his new product coming out.
I'm going to show you our new blower rack. We've been working on this for the last few months. We've been listening to what people have been saying and feedback on our old designs because we wanted to make it better, and we also wanted to make it cheaper. So right here we've got the lock. So right now this is locked. You can't take this trimmer out, or blower out, excuse me. And the blower is totally secure. It does not move around. To unlock it, you just turn that lock, and then you push up on this thumb lever, pull the bar out, blower comes right out. When you're done, you put the blower back in, take your bar, push it down, lock it, easy, done. Fully adjustable, works with every blower on the market, even the new Echo 8010s and the Stihl BR700s, all the way up your big Red Max 8500s, all your Echoes, no problem. The tube holder, I have it mounted off behind this right now on an open trailer. You could swing it out, mount it over the rail, so it's not going to be interfering on the inside of your trailer. And if you look on an enclosed trailer, this will mount totally flush to the wall. So it's not going to stick off the wall. It's extremely low profile. So pretty much it's the size of your blower. So it's not taking up any extra room in your enclosed trailer, which is a big deal. It's going to be shipping out December of this year, and it's $115, which is $30 cheaper than our old rack.
So compared to like the original, I would say, backpack blower rack, what is the biggest difference that you feel like is what makes this a game changer for the most part?
It's simpler, so we're able to make it cheaper.
Like a little more user friendly, I guess you'd say?
It's definitely more user friendly. I mean, you saw how it is. We take everything we learn. That's all there is to it.
Yeah,
it is easy as can be.
Yep.
And we're super excited for it. And again, it'll be shipping out December of this year, and it's $115.
Now to find these, just go straight to your guys' website?
Yeah, equipmentdefender.com. We're also on Instagram @equipmentdefender and Facebook.com/equipmentdefender.
All the links to their information in the description below. So I just want to thank Matt for having me out here. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
And guys, make sure you guys check them out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.